Hey there, today I'm going to answer the question that I get asked most frequently with my small account secrets training, and that is this. What is the minimum amount of money that you need to trade a small lot account? So the answer to that question is it's variable. I would say on average, people will trade about a $5,000 to a $10,000 account, but some people trade $500. Some people trade $1,000. Other people are trading $50,000. But the good news is it really doesn't matter how big your account is. Everyone has to start somewhere, right? It's all about the percentages. And so what I do is when I post a trade, I say how much risk I'm taking. So if I'm trading a $10,000 account and say, wow, I'm gonna put 10% of my account into this trade, and the options are $1 a piece, then I'm gonna buy 10 contracts. If you've got a $5,000 account and you wanna follow the same risk I'm taking, you're gonna buy 5 contracts. If you've got a $1,000 account, you're gonna buy 1 contract. And what happens with this is that it's all also about percentage gains. So in July, the small account was up 100% in 1 month. So if you had a $10,000 account, at the end of it, you were at $20,000. If you had a $1,000 account, at the end of it, you're at $2,000. So the amount doesn't really matter. What we live and die by is the percent risk and the percent gain on each trade. So I hope it helps.